Hi, hello, I'm Elizabeth. Welcome back to my channel. So I thought I'll do an unboxing video of an embroidery supplies purchase. This is from an online shop called Hoobles.in, and I had already opened the package before taking this video. That's why it's coming opened. So this is first thing is a sticky salvi. These are washable stabilizers for hand embroidery. Basically, you can print on one side, stick that part onto fabric, and you once you're done with the hand embroidery, you can wash it off. So it is very convenient to embroider on different surfaces. So I have 3 pieces, and I'll be printing on them using my home printer. So this is the fabric side, and this is the other side, which makes it easier to pass through the printer. So this is how I organize my embroidery threads. These are all anger threads. I have put in 4 different boxes, small plastic blocks, and this is where I put my used threads. So I use small bobbins, paper bobbins, or even acrylic bobbins to wind up the threads which I've used. I just started doing hand embroidery and cross stitch, so I don't have too many bobbins like this wound up with a thread. But this is how I do it. So I have placed my threads into 4 boxes, and this is how I've done it. And so let us organize them. I have majorly blues, greens, red, white and black here. Maybe a bit of lemon yellow too. This is for a particular project that I'm looking. I'll show you the project in some time soon. So yeah, first let us get the blues in. So I think I bought around 5 shades of blues for this particular project. I don't know how if I'll be using all 5, but I thought I'll just get few shirts because I love to collect embroidery skeins. So this is the project that you can see here. I've shown it here. So mainly it's a blue, green and yellows. So this skeins will help me in that. Okay, so next is so yeah, I actually stored my reds also along with the blue, so I'm keeping them also in the same box. So these are, I think, number 46 and 47. Those are the most common numbers for red. Christmas projects will have one of these colors mainly. So yeah, and this is a box that I got for like 51 rupees from my local department store. It's very handy. And next let us organize the greens. So I'm terribly confused with which all shades I have and which I need, so I just got few random shades of green. I hope it helps me with the project, which I already shown you some time back. Yeah, so let's put the greens here, and yeah, ta-da. Now the lemon yellow I'll keep with the yellows. It's more of a green, but yeah, I'll just keep it here. So this is as a lemon yellow shade. Okay, so I had one more box where I keep the metallic colors, white and black. See, some beautiful colors are there, but I don't think I'll be using these metallic colors anytime soon because I hear they're very, very difficult to, use. But here in goes the whites and black. So basically this is how I'll organize my embroidery stash. Thanks for watching.